Hello, everybody. Today we have a small little pack. I can't think of the name. There's three booster packs of the Breaking Point, and one pretty cool shiny Gyarados pin. And we're gonna be opening this today. All right, let's open the first pack. So, I have not opened these in quite a while. I completely forgot the card trick. Actually, let me just take this off the back. Alright. First we have Numel, Shanks, Ducklet, Honedge, Skrelp. As you can see, we have the reverse Shanks, which is actually quite a nice card. And our rare, I believe, is the Drapion. Not too good. Non-holo, non-reverse, nothing. And yeah, Lapras and trainer card. Alright. On to the... I think it was just 3 from the back, so I guess that's the trick for these. Can just take this off. 1, 2, 3. Goes to the front. Okay. Ooh. First, a Gabite, Delinquent, Max Elixir, Growlithe, Esper, Psyduck, Seedot, Furfrou, Reverse Doublade, and finally, oh my god, okay, that is a Darkrai EX. That is, honestly, that's actually a really nice card. Awesome, that was our second pack, so obviously that is our first ultra rare, and that is, that's actually really awesome. Okay, let's open the final pack. Why is this thing giving me trouble? Okay. Oh yeah. Here's the code for those of you that play the online game. 1, 2, 3. Move those to the front. Oh. Alright. Misty's Determination. Arcanine. Luxio. Trubbish. Ferroseed. Furfrou, Grisola, Chikorita, another, I believe this is our second Honedge reverse, and finally, just a regular non-holo Raticate. Alright, actually wait, I do believe, I do. I have a single Ancient Origins pack. It's in cardboard and has cool little art in the front. No idea if there's a proper way to open these, so rip it open. Pretty cool art on the front. Let's get right into it. Okay. Oh, yeah. Code for those who play. 1, 2, 3, I believe. We're gonna do that again. Alright, Gyarados, Lysander, Vaporeon, cool little bell toy right there, Cottony, Relicanth, Golurk, Beldum. Ooh, that is actually really nice. I actually really like that Entei Holo. That looks really nice. And finally, regular non-holo Claydol. Alright, so that wasn't too bad of an opening. Honestly, we just got two good cards. Two really good cards, no holos or anything. We got the cool Entei reverse, which I really like in my opinion. And of course, the Darkrai EX, which I will be putting into a sleeve for those who don't want to, like, die on the inside. That is actually really nice looking. Alright, well, if you enjoyed this first video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, because I believe this is the first video of this channel, and have a good day.